can't you knock? Or do you think this is your house now?
Nervous.
I have a question for you though. Why can't you stay in Shaq's place?
Something happened. I know if you stay there right now.
You sure?
Which other reason I want to stay for here?
Make eyes eye candy now.
Now your eye candy, not be my eye candy.
Really? Are you saying my boyfriend is out of your league?
Your boyfriend don't feel afford me. He not at my level.
Are you calling me cheap?
Auntie, I bet if they catch me, I want to go inside. Eh?
I'm not comfortable with you staying here. And I don't care what Emeka says.
See, this one will be like rejected sacrifice. Then nothing Emeka can do about it. You say I can't Lagos, can't do love. And yet